Let's talk about skipping mortgage payments when you refinance. So if you noticed, and I do this often, I'm using bunny ears, right? The air quotes, skipping mortgage payments. So here's what that really means. When you refinance on a home loan, I'm 99%. I'm making up 99%, but I'm trying to think of examples where this isn't true. But mortgages are paid in arrears. So I'm trying to think like a small bank and did something different, but for the most part, mortgages are paid in arrears. So what does that mean? So if I'm it's now, let's just pretend it is September 1st. Okay, and my mortgage payment's due. Cool. And I have until the 15th to pay it before it's considered late. So if I decide to make my mortgage payment anytime in that period, the 1st through the 15th, I make my mortgage payment as normal, right? I don't care if it's auto draft or me paying it. That's one example. So what I'm doing, this is the part about the arrears. When I'm making that mortgage payment in September, I'm actually paying for the previous month's interest. So in other words, when I make my mortgage payment, I'm paying for all of August. For the month I lived in August and owned the home and had my mortgage, when I make my mortgage payment, the interest I'm paying in September is actually the interest from August. That's the arrears part. So now on a refinance, if I'm going to close September 10th, making that up, right? So if I'm going to close September 10th and I have not yet made my mortgage payment. So it's September 10th and I haven't made my mortgage payment yet. I was about to on the 12th, but I'm not going to, but I'm going to close earlier in the week and I fund, and by September 10, it's 100% done. So in that example, if I have not paid my mortgage payment, then I'm going to have a bigger payoff, right, on my mortgage because I have not yet paid for all of August because I haven't made my September payment. So I haven't paid for the August interest and also haven't paid for 10 days worth of interest in September. So my mortgage balance is going to be higher. But here's the cool part. I get to skip, ignore this